Hey, my name is Anuj Sanghavi and I'm going to show you guys a wearable interface of our pedometer. What we did is we use this elastic band that goes to the belt on your hip to make it wearable, and we also use this Cisco portable battery pack to power our source. Now Jarvik will show us how to wear this module.
So what you do is you would take out your belt like this, and right near your right hip, near the pocket, you would put this in backwards like this way, and then you put it in like this, and then you would put your belt through it, and tighten your belt. Once that is good to go, you would plug the power in here in the power source, and then turn it on, put it in here, and it's good to go. And you can interface it like this once it's ready to go.
Hey, I'm Patrick Bell. I'm going to walk you through our user interface that our local system would have. First, we turn on the portable battery pack. Now our system is initializing and connecting to Wi-Fi. As soon as the text is on the screen and this LED has turned solid blue, then we'll be ready to go with our system. All right, our system's ready. Here's our main menu. We have the options to set goal and show progress. At the bottom of our menu has the information that the user needs to operate the system. First, I'll go to show progress. And here you can see the latest progress that your pedometer has done. Button 2 will take us back to the main menu. Next, I'll set goal. Here we have the option to set the goal remotely using IoT or locally using the joystick. We'll show the IoT components later. Next, we'll go to the joystick. Now Bryan will show us how to set the goal and use the pedometer once it's active.
I'm Bryan Chase, and I will show you how to set the goal and then what happens when the goal is reached. So to set the goal, you will use the joystick. It goes up in increments of 5 and down in increments of 5. Button 2 will select what goal you wish to reach. Now, after 5 seconds, the screen will go dark, and this is to save on power. But you can bring back the screen by pressing the button again. And we're going to show steps by just changing the values through hitting it. Once your goal is reached, the buzzer goes off, the screen comes back again, and it shows that number of steps taken is 5, and you've reached 100% of your goal.
Hey, now Bryan and I are gonna go through the IoT side of our user interface.
First, I'll turn it on, and it'll take several seconds to connect to the internet. And once it does, it'll show on screen.
So once it's connected, it shows a pedometer off on our IoT side screen, which means no one is walking and pedometer is turned off for now.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the goal using the joystick to set the goal, and I'll set it to 10 steps so that way you can see on screen what happens.
So now what happened, it's taking all the time steps, and then whenever its goal is set, it shows here that goal is set. What goal is set, he set the goal of 10, and after that he started the pedometer, so it shows the pedometer is on.
Now I'm just bumping up the progress until the goal has been reached.
And so as soon as the goal is reached on our IoT screen, we show that goal is reached and congratulations.
And now I'm going to set a new goal, but we're going to set it using the IoT software.
So once a user selects the IoT software to set the goal, we show on the screen that we got to set a goal using the insert of the IoT injecting. We double click on the set goal here node, and now in the payload we can set a desired goal that the user wants. let's set it to 10 steps for now, and then press it OK button to save that goal. Once that is done, you deploy your goal, and once you press on this button, the goal will be sent to the IoT, to the device.
Where it then shows up on screen. So you hit button 2 here in order to start your progress. And now I'm just displaying the progress and simulating walking. And once you get to your goal,
So it does the same thing when it reaches the goal, and it shows on the IoT screen that goal has been reached and the user has finished the requirement.
Now we'll have a functional demonstration of our pedometer.
Me as a user, I'm going to flip up my pedometer and navigate the menu to request a goal from IoT interface.
Now, using the IoT interface, I'm going to set the goal to 15 steps. The goal's been sent.
Now that I received the goals on my pedometer, I will start walking. As you can see, the buzzer went off and I've reached my goal.